Today I'm taking a look at the Belkin 12 outlet surge protector. So you can see this is a nice thick cord. It is a little bit deceivingly nice. If I was to guess, I would say this is a 12 gauge, but this is actually a 14 gauge. It's not quite as big as a 12 gauge, but not bad either. They've been using these for a long time. The important part is this actually has a flat plug. So we can plug that into a wall outlet. You can put cabinets or shelving or whatever right behind it. The ones that have the plug that stick out, the only way to really get that shelf against the wall is to cut a hole into the back of the shelf. Now, it is a nice long cable. This is an 8-foot cable. Actually, I have 2 of these in service right now. This is going to be my 3rd. That long cable comes in handy quite often. We do have indicators here on the top, so we know that we are protected. Basically, we got this switch right here. That is going to let us know that it is on and protected. If for whatever reason we had that plugged into an outlet that did not have a proper ground, then this LED would light up. So very nice having that indicator right there on the power strip. It is a 12 outlet design. It is not the best layout in the world. For example, if I put a fat power brick right here, I could probably cover up both of these outlets. And if I was to put a brick right here, it would cover up this one and this one. So it is doable, but with all the power bricks that they're selling with everything these days, you're probably not going to get 12 outlets out of this. On the bottom, we do have 2 cable connectors. So you can run your cable in and out through that to make sure that those are also surge protected. I usually just keep the foam on there to protect those ends. So now I can unplug this guy, and we can plug in that guy. So much flatter, and now I can finally put a nice cabinet in front of that. So yeah, that is an excellent little power brick.